Are you guys aware that Wikicat is the next Shiba Inu? For some of us that saw the last bull run, 2020, 2021 bull run, you saw what Shiba Inu did. Somebody bought 8 billion pieces of Shiba Inu as at 2020 November, and when Shiba in the year 2021, the following year, that 8 billion pieces, the person got a huge amount of money that runs in millions and millions of naira. Are you getting it? So Wikicat is the next Shiba Inu from my own personal analysis. If you have anything to say about Wikicat, you can drop it in the comment section. Let's go. I want to show you how you can carry out a good research if you are still doubting if actually Wikicat is a good project or good token to buy. Now, we are going to use Deskrina, we are going to use CoinGecko, okay, to carry out the analysis. Are you getting it? So let's move. Then after that, I will show you guys how to buy this, how to add Wikicat contract address to your Trust Wallet. So let's proceed, okay? Now, this is Deskrina. This is my Deskrina interface. I want to search for Wikicat. The ticker name is WKC. You now come to this search bar. This search bar here. Click on search. Let's search for WKC. Okay. Before then, make sure it's already on BSC chain. Okay. Let's search for WKC. Okay. I think it's already, see it here. It's already here because I've already searched for it before. You now click on that in WKC up there. All right, it has opened. Okay, this is what WKC. You can buy it on your PancakeSwap exchange. So, and also Macy Exchange, being a decentralized exchange, has listed Wikicat a few days ago. Okay, and the Coinbase is, working towards listing WKC, that's Wikicat. And a few other exchanges, centralized exchanges, has also listed Wikicat. So this is my Deskrina. I want to know if this is a good project to buy. Already in the last 24 hours, the thing have dropped to minus 17%. So if you want to buy, you can jump in now and buy it. Not a financial advice. Always do your diligent research. This is in 6 hours ago, there's a minus 14% drop. 1 hour ago, there's minus 10% drop. 5 minutes ago, there's 0% drop. Are you seeing it? Now, for some of us that feel that Wikicat, is a rubbish project, it's not. It's a utility token, not a shitcoin anymore. This is a liquidity, $1.3 million liquidity. This is the market cap, $55 million market cap. Now, if you are still thinking that you are late, you are not late. You are not late because from the way I'm seeing this market cap, if this market cap hit 50 billion market cap, you know how much 1 billion WK or Wikicat will be. Will give you, okay, in your wallet. So you're not early. If you have the fund, you're not late. If you have the fund, I will advise you to help in and get it. Fully diluted volume is $55 million. Okay, then the liquidity is $1.3 million, and the liquidity is locked. That is means Samapi is trying to tell us that he has no evil or interior motive concerning this project. So don't be afraid. The liquidity is locked. He has no plan of migrating. He has no plan of running away with our funds. He has no interior motive. He's a transparent developer. So look at this place. Look at this place. People are really buying it. Okay, 8,395 persons has bought. Okay, then 4,000. Look at it. 4,463 persons has sold. Okay, when you look at here, the buy volume $724,000. The sell volume $785,000. Are you getting it? Yes, in a project like people will always sell. The volume $1.5 million. Market makers, people that controls the market, people that promote all these things, 6,000, 364. You see, it was 63, now it's 64. Another person has come in. Okay. Now transaction 12,845 transaction has been made. So that is it. I want you to just help in. You can activate this, add it to your watch list. Let me add it so that I've already added it. It put a notification bell. So anytime it pumps again, okay, you can always be on profit. Satoshi Nakamoto has made a tweet about this project on Twitter or your X, okay? So a lot of projects are coming in to make sure they participate or they list WKC on their exchange. So this project got listed, look at it, 3 years, 4 months ago. Yes, 3 years, 4 months ago. Since 2022 till now is 3 years, isn't it? All right. I don't know why this thing is not going up. I don't know why it's not going up. I'm trying to swipe it. Whether it's not. Look at the pool, WKC pool, $6,066 trillion. Okay. Now this is the contract address. You come here and copy it. If you want to buy, proceed to exchange, maybe PancakeSwap exchange, and buy it. Look at the security of Wikicat. No issue. The quick intel, no issue. Token sniffer, confirm is 70% over 100. Are you seeing it? Honeypot, you see it, honeypot, no issue. Honeypot means ability to buy but you cannot sell. There are some tokens or coin on this crypto space. You invest your money, when the tokens are pumping, you find it difficult to swap. You'll not be able to swap it. That means that token is a honeypot. You buy, but you cannot be able to swap. Honeypot means what? We have a honeypot tools. It's a tool used in dictating tokens that are honeypot. Ability to buy but cannot sell. That is honeypot. Okay. Let's proceed. Look at this thing here. It says Wikicat is a token for teaching people about cryptocurrencies on the Binance Smart Chain created by Samapi for SMC DAO. Do you hear that? Read it again. So that is it. You can check it out on their website, on Twitter. Check it out on their SMS DAO, on Telegram. They're everywhere. On Twitter, they're everywhere. Okay. Show you a lot of things about this project, Wikicat. Just look at it. Security, good. Buy tax, 2%, still good. Tax modifiable, say no. So they can modify it, okay? Eternal core, no. Ownership renounced. The man have renounced. Samapi, being the owner of this WKC, has renounced ownership. That means he has no hidden. He can't wake up one morning and decide to run with our Wikicat. No. Okay. Which one again? Hidden owner. There's nothing like hidden owner, no. Open source, yes. They are transparent. Honeypot, no. Proxy contract, no. Mintable, we cannot mint it. They can't recreate it, no. Let's proceed. Transfer possible. They cannot be able to pause transfer. Maybe you want to swap small, take chop Gary. It cannot be paused. The transaction cannot be paused. Trading cooldown, no. Okay, can't sell at all, no. You can always sell your Wikicat even the midnight. At any given time, want to sell, you are free to sell it. Okay, it's movable, it's working. And so small chop. Owner can change balance, no. Has blacklist, no. Has whitelist, no. It's anti-well, no. Okay, holders count 82,362 holders count. LP liquidity pool holder count 29. Let's proceed. This is how to carry out a diligent fundamental analysis before investing your project if you invest your money on any project. Creator address. This is Samapi address, coin address, creator balance 0. Owner's address, see it here. Honest balance, see it here. Are you seeing it? So you continue. It's not you want to buy a token, just rush and buy. You don't without carrying out a good analysis on that project. You end up buying pump and dump project. You end up buying scam project. Okay, so this is the best way to carry out your diligent research. Check out these things here. People are enjoying the project. The project is putting smiles on people's faces. Are you getting? So if let's come here, let's assume you want to buy 1 billion. Let's assume you want to buy. Let me type 1 billion of WKC now for you to see how much it is in USD. Okay, 1 billion, that's billion. 1 billion is 90, Abby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. Let's see the price of it in dollar. Okay, the market is the thing has dropped after last time it was around 100 or something dollars. Okay, 1 billion now is at 99.52 USD. I seen it. So if you have money, you can help in now that is down. It's very, very down. As I said before, it's down. Look at it here. It's down. Before it was 70 minus 17%, now it's minus 18%. So you can help in sharp buy at least 1B and take position, because if you hit 550 billion market cap, you know what it means. You'll be in soup. You will chop well. You will smile. Are you getting it? So let's go to CoinGecko and run the same. Okay, if you want to, yes, if you want to um copy the contract address and paste it on your Trust wallet, you come here, you come here, you copy the address here. Let's copy it. Let me see if I can copy. I've copied. Can you see it? Address copied to clipboard. Okay, we'll now go to Trust wallet. Okay. Okay, how to add Wikicard contract address to your Trust wallet. You come to, this is my Trust wallet. You come to manage crypto. You click on manage crypto. Okay, you click on this cross here. How to add contract address of any token apart from Wikicard, any token to Trust wallet. Okay, once it opens this way, you change this network, this Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. The coin we are buying is on Binance Smart Chain blockchain. See it here. There are different blockchains. See the one we want to, the blockchain we want to buy from. We have a lot of blockchain. We have Solana. We have ADA. We have, oh, let me change it. It's not Solana. Just tap on it. Tap on it. It will give away. Click on Binance Smart Chain. Then once you click, see it here, click on Binance Smart Chain. Come here and paste that contract address you copy, either from CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap or from Dextrina. Okay, I paste it. Can you see? Everything about the project, the name, the symbol, the decimal has what appeared. You click on what? Import. I'm showing how to add a coin contract address, a token contract address to Trust Wallet. Okay, let's go. Let's check. Let's go back to the wallet and see if it's there. Have we been able to add it? Have we been able to add it? No. But it's supposed to appear now. Okay. Let's go back. We must get it right too. Click on that cross. Change it to Binance Smart Chain. Paste again. Import. Waiting again the sub. Waiting again the sub. You can turn on the price so that when the price is rising, you'll be notified. I'm not seeing it here. What is wrong? Okay, let me search for it here. WKC. Okay. I don't know what is really the problem. See, the first one. Please be patient to do research is not here. Okay. Okay, let me leave this exchange and come to and see if it will reflect. Let me go back again and see if that is how to the add it to. I don't know why it's not showing here. I don't know the problem. Or it's because I'm using a video camera. I mean video recorder, sorry, to record this research. Alright, that's how to add your WKC to Trust Wallet, or how to add any token address to Trust Wallet. Are you getting? So if you want to use if you want to use Deskscreener. Alright, let's use the CoinGecko to analyze this token to see if the same thing we got on Deskscreener is the same thing we're about getting on CoinGecko, right? Wikicat is the next Shiba Inu. I don't know if you're aware of that. I don't know. So you come to search. You click on the search bar. Okay. Type WKC. I'm making a full video on how to analyze this project before. Okay, it's already here. Can you see it up there? Can you see up there? Allow it to load. Analysis 24 hours ago, it has already dropped to 16%. Before you realize it now, to start pumping. So let's move. Okay. In the past 24 hours, it has dropped 16%. If you click on 7 days. 7 days, it pumps 247%. Are you getting it? 14 days ago, it pumps to 238%. 30 days ago, it pumps, that is 1 month, it pumps 415%. 60 days ago, that is 2 months, it pumps 611%. 1 year ago, it pumps 2024%. Are you getting it? Good and fine. Let's scroll down. This is the market cap. You see, the same $54 million market cap we saw on Deskscreener is the same $54 million market cap you are seeing on CoinGecko now. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Good. Now, if you look at the circulating supply, we have what I'm seeing here is 234,000 billion. Then we have total supply. We have total supply here. You have total supply here. You have total supply 549 billion 234. Okay. We have maximum supply 853 billion. Okay, added to watch list 8,262 has been added to watch list. We have trading volume. Trading volume of WKC, that is Wikicat, is $1,311. Trading volume. Okay. We have the market cap fully diluted ratio, that is 1. We have fully diluted valuation, that is $54 million plus. Okay. So that is it. That is it. Let's proceed. Okay, you can. Okay, this one I did not show. If you come here, if you want to buy WKC, if you want to know the worth of 1 billion of WKC, the price of it on USD, you can type it here. Come here. Let's type 1 billion WKC and see how much it will give us in dollar. Let me type 1 billion of it. 9 zeros make a billion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you see? On Deskscreener we got $99 make a billion of WKC. For you to say the market is still dropping drastically. Now you're having 97 USD. Okay, may not cost for alarm. Don't panic. That's why crypto space is highly volatile. This is the contract address of WKC. Is on Binance Smart Chain blockchain. So you can come here, copy it, go to your Trust Wallet and add it to your Trust Wallet from the way just the same way I did. I showed you guys. Okay, you can add it so that you can go there and buy. If you don't know how to buy from exchange, PancakeSwap exchange, please indicate in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. Let's visit their the video is already long. Let's visit their Twitter and see what is happening, what the owner of Wikicat is. All right, let's come to X here, being Twitter. Let's search for Wikicat. Okay, let's search for Wikicat and see what people are saying about the token, okay? All right, okay. Oh, network is bad from my end. You can come here and give them a follow. Let me follow them. I'm even let me follow them on Twitter. Turn the notification button on so that each time they make upload, I will be among the first to get it. Okay. This is the owner of Wikicat, Samapi. Okay. Okay. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. This is the contract address on Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Okay. Good. This exchange has listed WKC. Okay, it's now live on KC Spot Market. Deposit open. Wikicat/USDT. Trading start on what? Trading start 14th 8th August 2025 at 7.15 UTC. Are you getting it? So Messi Exchange has listed this project. This is the owner of WKC, Samapi. You can give him a follow on Twitter, on Facebook, and other social media. Okay. All right. So that is it. I don't want this video to be more longer than before again. Thank you so much. If this video is helpful, please comment, like, share. Okay, to help others get the same value you have gotten. Thank you.